In this video, we'll show you how to change the headlight bulbs on your Dodge Ram 1500. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the rivet. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the last 3 headlight retaining bolts. You can now extract the headlight from its location. To increase the lifespan of the bulbs, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Remove the electrical connector from the bulb by spreading the retaining tabs, then pull on the pod. You can use a flathead screwdriver. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. To change the 9007 high and low beam bulb, unscrew the plastic nut and pull the bulb out. You can order the bulbs used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new bulb. Then insert the socket into the headlight housing. Once in place, screw the retaining nut back on by hand. Plug the electrical connector back in. Remove the turn signal bulb socket by turning it counterclockwise. To remove the 4157 turn signal bulb, simply pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb into the socket. Then insert the whole thing into the light and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Put the headlight back in place. You can then screw the bolts back in using a ratchet. Put the rivet back in place.
Quality parts, priced right.